The doctor checks the patient and asks for the CBC and renal function blood investigation. The staff nurse raises the request in system and also calls the lab technician to collect the blood sample. The lab technician checks the patient's ID, name, and also take the blood sample to the lab. In the biochemistry lab, the technician receives the sample and inserts it in the instrument. The technician then enters the value and finds that the potassium value is high. This information is passed on to another technician. Then, the other technician calls the ICU doctor and informs about the critical condition of the patient. The doctor receives the critical result and takes action immediately. The doctor gives potassium correction to the patient and saves the patient.